This is known as the SIP target. And this is what you get when you play me in the playoffs. Looks pretty dead to me. Now Pauline's going to take some shots at SIP just because it's fun. How's he doing? Is he hurting?
I just said I want to blow his ear off. That's what I was going for.
All right. We're going to see how SIP's doing now.
I don't know if you're going to be able to hit that.
Oh, yeah. That looks like just like the condition of your fantasy career right there. Very similar. Looking good. How's that? How those eyes doing? Couple eye shots, nice. Oh, I think you lost a bit of ear there. It's too bad.